This chapter has many multi-step problems, and there's a lot that is going on in these problems. So it's going to be really important to organize the information and do things in the correct order. So the first thing we need to do is start with the weight, and we need to convert from pounds to kilograms if not already done. So sometimes they will provide the weight already in kilograms, and you don't need to divide by 2.2. So that's something very important to be on the lookout for. Then we really need to find the rate that has the kilograms, and this is so that we can find out how much powder drug for a patient of this given weight. Next, we want to find the available medicine, or the label. So this is the solution strength, and this is going to be used to set up a proportion to convert the drug from powdered form into liquid form. And we usually give the liquid form in milliliters or cubic centimeters. Sometimes it's liters, but most of the time it's going to be mLs or cc's. Okay, so it says calculate the correct dosage and then round final answers to the nearest tenth. 7 milligram per kilogram body mass is ordered for a 154-pound patient. If the available solution is 450 milligrams per 7 milliliters, how many mLs should be given to this patient? First, I want to start with the weight. So start with the weight. So 154, this is what I'm going to work with first. And I want to divide this by 2.2. So 154 divided by 2.2 is 70. So this patient weighs 70 kilograms. Next, I want to figure out how much powder drug to give a patient of this weight. So I need to find the rate that has the kgs, and that would be right here. So I'm going to use this second, and I'm going to set up my proportion, 7 milligrams over 1 kg, and I'm matching up the kilograms. So I'm going to take 7 times 70 divided by 1, and we get 490. So this 490 mg, this is the amount of powder drug specifically for a patient of this weight. So then finally we need to figure out how much drug we need to give the patient in liquid form. And we're going to use the solution strength, or the available medicine, to figure that out. So 450 mg over 7 mLs is equal to 490 mg over x. So I'm putting this in the proportion with my solution strength. And then we do 7 times 490 divided by 450, and we get x is equal to 7.62 repeating, but we're supposed to round this to the nearest tenth. So this would be 7.6 mLs. And that is our final answer. Again, this is the amount of liquid drug for a patient of this weight.